In this video, I'm going to show you how to add carousel in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to the top left and click on Insert, and from here you want to go to the search box and type in ticker. Now, ticker, this is basically the closest thing to a carousel, so if you want to make it very easily, this is the one you should use. So you simply want to drag and drop it in here on your page, and of course you can then customize the size of this over here. I'm just going to make it a bit wider like that. There we go. That's going to do for now. Now, of course, anything can be customized over here on the right hand side. As you can see, you can add effects, layout, you can change directions, you can change sizes, styles, etc. That's completely up to you, but I'm not going to waste your time here. I'm just going to show you how to set this up. So you can go ahead and here, of course, select what you want kind of your like this bracket to be. So for example, let's say I want it to be 28 over here. So this is basically the spacing between these, and then all you have to do is, of course, have some images you want to put in here. So I've already uploaded 3 of these images in here. I can just go ahead and then drag them and drop them inside each and every single one of these like that, and I'm going to put this one in here. There we go. Of course, you can change that if you want to. So as you can see, you could go ahead and round the corners a bit, or you could go ahead and just make them like things go to more to the left or to the right. So for example, if I make this a bit smaller here, I can even move this one around. For example, there we go. I can put it inside here, and I can go ahead and then make this one a bit bigger, etc. So you get the point. You basically just have to play around with this a bit and you'll get used to it. Now, whenever you do that, of course, you have to add the third one for this example over here as well. There we go. This is the third one. And let's say this is now sufficient. Of course, it's not going to look the best. It's something completely random, but when you customize it so it actually looks good, you'll be able to see that you get great results. Now, if I now go ahead and click on the preview button up top, as you can see, this is now basically a carousel. It's scrolling through, so it's moving. And yeah, those are the 3 images I actually put in here. Now, of course, this, as I said, looks a bit weird. You can likely make it a lot better, but this is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.